Mahad has a question. For a Google Ads campaign, how should I structure the ad schedule? I'm thinking 9 to 5 since I've set up Go High Level Automations agents to ensure speed to lead so the client can call them. Client is a home senior care agency. Families with adult children often reach out. So I'm curious, what if people search after hours? Should I do all day? No. For a Google Ad campaign, the ad schedule should be set according to when they can pick up the phone call. So usually it's 8 to 7. It doesn't have to be strictly 9 to 5 because if you can cover some of the out of office hours, in those hours you'll have to bid for less. So you'll be spending less money if you can, because most of your competitors will run 9 to 5 and their ads will be off during the office hours. So maybe if you can take some advantage, but never run it on 24/7. That's not a good idea. Only run it when they can pick up the call.